If you guys have made a personal assistant in n8n, you really need to watch this video. So there is a big issue right now with your workflow where everybody can access your data. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I went ahead on Telegram and looked for n8n underscore assistant, for example. Boom, in the global search results, you can see a lot of assistants that are publicly available. And the issue is that if you didn't restrict the access to only your user ID, everybody can actually talk to your assistant and access your data. So for example, I found this assistant. So I asked him, what tools do you have access to? And it told me he has access to the calendar, to a lot of stuff. So I asked him, what are the next events I have scheduled? And it gives me the events the guy has on his calendar. If I wanted, I could join his team meeting. And yeah, so to avoid these guys, what you have to do is create a code node right after your Telegram trigger. And what you put in there is this piece of code right there that I'm gonna put in the description below. Basically, what this does is restrict the rest of the workflow to only this user ID. To get this user ID, so this is mine. To get yours, you just go on Telegram, go talk to this guy. This guy is at underscore ID underscore bot. And when you talk to him, he's gonna give you your chat ID. That's right there. You just put this in there, and it will secure your workflow. So if anybody come talk to your assistant, that's not this user ID. He will not have access to the rest of your workflow. So yeah, I'm gonna put again this piece of code in the description below. So you can simply copy paste it in a code node, put it right after your trigger, and yeah, your personal assistant will be way more secure. So yeah, that was just a quick video, guys, to inform you about that. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.